So they may be able to move the football with the exception of when they were pinned back to their own 1 yard line. Jordan Love, they set up the screen. And it's Bright, right at the first down marker. Dalton Baker brings him down after a gain of 12.
Good job by Love, setting up the screen, drifting back in the pocket, letting his offensive line get it started. And you heard the fans, when they see that much green grass, they know what these running backs can do.
That's incomplete. He's a freshman. They're real excited about his big playability. And we got movement, and they don't call it. It's a free play for Jordan Love, and it's Jalen Green. And Jalen Green's just on cruise control. Walk into the end zone. Touchdown Aggies. 80 yards.
Offside. Defense. Number 94. That penalty is declined. Result of the play. Touchdown.
Bruce, a veteran play here by Jordan Love, knowing it's a free play and takes a shot down the field.
Oh, that's an NFL caliber play. Why? Because you get the defense to jump off sides. You understand it's a free play. Jalen Green doing an unbelievable job being on the same page with Love, and they connect. You know, that's a free play. Even if it gets intercepted, it's a no play. So now they turn into 7 points. You know, this UNLV team, man, if they have to eliminate these penalties.
27 seconds on the scoring drive. So you can add that to Danny's list we were talking about. It's now 10 scoring drives of less than a minute.
It's unbelievable how fast and the tempo of this offense. But Love, just his control of this offense and his understanding. A lot of times, look, I've seen Ben Roethlisberger do it so many times. You try to use the hard count to get the defense to jump off sides because you take advantage of that. And Love in this offense just did that.
Amazing. How about these numbers for Jalen Green? And we were still in the first quarter. 5 catches, 132 yards, and a touchdown.
Is that beautiful? That's end of game stats, and he's already got it in the first quarter.
And Jordan Love is 9 of 14 for 189 yards, 2